My name is Michael Zvallo and I'm the Director of Tongue & Groove Property Services here in Palm Beach, Florida. Tongue & Groove specializes in elevated home care, estate management and full design build services for our discerning customers. With more than 15 years in the yachting industry, I developed a skill set that now guides my approach to estate management. On a yacht, every system must perform flawlessly. Every detail is exposed to the harshest environments and still expected to look and operate perfectly. That level of discipline and precision is the lens through which Tongue & Groove will manage your coastal estate. It means efficient planning, exacting standards, and respect for craftsmanship and durability. And that is why I'm so passionate about ensuring that every home is cared for and performing perfectly season after season.
Hi, my name is Aaron Greenbaum and I'm an estate executive here at Tongue & Groove. One of our main priorities is ensuring that your house is well taken care of. With 7 years of experience in property management in the Hamptons of New York, our goal is to ensure that your property is looked after and always ready for when you're coming home. Here at Tongue & Groove, our services offer concierge, vendor management, weekly inspections of a home, and always ensuring your home is property ready when you arrive.
Luxury does not begin with a maintenance list. We offer architecture, construction, and property services in Jupiter and Palm Beach counties. I'm Mark Batson with Tongue & Groove. We've been building homes like this for over 20 years. Give us a call today.